Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now this video is not sponsored, but because I was doing something new, I decided to come on camera and record it just in case I decide to post it. I might not post it, I might post it, I don't know yet, but just in case I want to post it, then at least it's recorded. But I'll be doing a VPART wig, and I'll be doing a side part. Like normally I do, when I do like my VPART wigs, I do what's it called, I do middle part. But I'm like a VPART is pretty much like a weave-in sew-in with hair leave-out, so I could definitely do a side part. So that is what I'm going to be doing today. Now the wig is from Gardener VPART wig, but you don't really have to get it from this company. You can get, and it's any V wig, to be honest, VPART wig, to be honest. But this is the company, and this is the wig that I'm working with today. But before I go ahead and take out the wig and start anything, I'm gonna go ahead and part off my hair. Actually, I do have to take out this wig for real. Ooh, sis has highlights in it. Actually a highlighted wig. Why do I feel like this wig is so this is how the wig came. It has the straps in the back that I could put around my head. This is how the inside is looking, and this is the parting. So now you have to cut right here, which I'm to get my seat. And there you have it. So you will need to open the wig because you have to measure your hair with it. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is go in and I'm going to measure. So from here, I'm going to measure my head to see where it's going to stay. So it's going to start from maybe right here. I'm gonna put it right here. And guys, I will have to definitely, I have to keep brushing my hair because my hair was in the wig and I literally took it out today. So my hair is not super duper clean from all the makeup products and stuff that I put in my hair. But if you're going to do it, it's best to do it on a clean scalp. So what I'm gonna do right now is just braid this down.
Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my Junior want to not be on my Tell him this. Did he miss? Junior want to not be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior want to not be on my Junior want to not be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior want to not be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior want to not be on my
Okay, so I'm gonna do 2 braids, one right here and one right here, and then I'm gonna do the rest, one right here, then I'm gonna do the rest going down. Wish me luck, cause yeah, just wish me luck.
I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time can't fit on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my move out of the way of my release, trying to get me off my Q's and P's, why can't losers never lose in peace?
My hair is all like this, like literally guys, like these ones are just big ones, nothing cute, nothing like oh my god. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take these. My hair has grown a lot, I just want to point that out, like a lot. But anyways, I'm just gonna take these and I'm going to put it up like this and basically just sew it down.
Right outside, PT, 2-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying like mine. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just do on a hoodie, it's a screenshot. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting.
Actually, I think this is a synthetic wig, to be honest. I think it is. Yeah, it's definitely a synthetic wig. So this is not clip-ins, it only has these combs, one at the back and 2 right here. So
On your phone, like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, right at it die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-time baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, 2-time baby girl, you know me. All the niggas around me, gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. 2-time baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This is my first time working with a synthetic wig, like I said before, and to be honest, I don't know if I would actually get another synthetic wig. I don't know, like for me it's just like when I can't curl or do anything to the wig, like literally I can't do anything to the wig. So for me, because I like doing things and I like changing up my wigs, for me I don't feel like they are for me. I don't know. But if you're a person that's on the go and you don't care to do anything to your hair, you just want to put it on and go brush it and that is it, then these are for you, period. But not for me. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Bye.